Some of these machine systems we install can triple the output production of a dozer or motor grader. So when they go down, that's production lost. With iSight, we're solving our customers' problems as they happen, avoiding costly delays. And I've had a customer tell me that he feels iSight is easily worth $10,000 a year because as he adds up that machine being down or that machine not producing, his guy's working to resolve it, the truck's not moving the dirt, he feels it would easily be worth $10,000 a year.
We have saved tens of thousands of dollars in downtime. I'm 100 miles from any office that could help me correct anything that goes wrong here. By using iSight, they get right to me. They open up my software, they open up my instrument, they check everything out, and usually within 20 to 30 minutes, I'm back up and running without losing any downtime.